Want to know how I made this epic donut cake and how it was an epic fail? Stick around and I'll show you. Okay, it is my brother-in-law's birthday and I'm going to make him a donut tower. And so what I've done is I have some dry foam, because it's cheaper than regular foam, from the flour section. And I've just taped everything together and wrapped it in cling wrap. And now I'm just going to use some skewers and we're going to decorate this baby with donuts and fruit. Time for the B-roll. That's the way to do it. Just like a fence post, folks. Alright. You're trying to put up a tarp. You don't want the wind to rip it out. Put your post at an angle. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Angle your toothpicks. Okay? We'll figure this out. 5-second rule don't account to that. Oh. Ben, I did not use dirty toothpicks. All right. Oh, that's where I put the tape. Be better to hot glue your foam together than tape it, because now I have a problem getting my skewer in there. Shooty tooty. Well, this is a learning experience. Don't use packing tape to hold your stuff together. But that'll be okay. Don't tell. Yeah, I'm not gonna have enough donuts. Dude, I thought maybe I should get some more. Not that far. I go to the little shop up the road. All right. Might taste good, but it's ugly. Uh-oh. I hope that's not them. Shooty tooty. Well, which is the prettiest side? Hello. What's your name? My name is Donut Fish. Epic fail. I have plenty of donuts. Maybe eat a few. Oh, brother. Let's see if I can fix this with more donuts. But really, how many donuts does one person need? What else I got? Oh, I got little donut holes. I ate a couple. I shouldn't have. Oh, no. I shouldn't have gotten so... Maybe a smaller cake would have been better. Okay, so hostess to the rescue, hopefully. Also gonna put some zebra cakes on there. Yeah.
Any leftover donuts? What are you gonna do with those?
Oh man, you're gonna help. Your daddy ain't eating this by himself. This is gonna be a group effort.
He might. I would.
Yeah, I know you would.
I'm gonna try as hard as possible and probably won't get through half of it.
Lisa, I don't pretty dry. It is starting to come together, sort of, kind of hideous, but we're going to fill in with some fruit, and I will say that these donuts are pretty dry, so they're more likely to crack than a fresh donut from your bakery. I think it'll be okay when we're all done. I mean, hey, went from total disaster to semi-disaster, right? A baker I am not. We're just going to take some I'm leaving the tops on just for decorative purposes. And we'll see if we can use some regular toothpicks on the back side. Just push it down into, yeah, that works. Okay, and I did the same thing here with our raspberries, but I'm using a regular toothpick and poking it in, and then using the side of the blade just to push that in, and like that. Okay, and then we're gonna add some blackberries just to kind of break up all the red. I gotta put it somewhere that, oh, I knew I saw a gap. An issue like that. I got just like that. Okay, we're gonna call that good. And there you have it, a donut tower that went from disaster to pretty darn cute. Thanks for watching.